Okay, today is our wash the pedal car adventure.
Lupi stands before the big shiny door. Lupi softly sings, "Beep boop boop, let's go inside."
Wow, stepping inside feels like a
Walking through
brand
the
new
big
adventure.
open door, onto the smooth and shiny floor. Lupi sees a little car covered in mud from near and far.
Walking
Lupi
down
hums a
this lane
tiny
feels so calm.
Let's make it clean so soon. Washing the pedal, washing the pedal,
Here we
splash
are,
and
ready to start our cleaning work.
making it shiny all through the day. Washing the pedal, gentle and sweet. Now it is sparkling with water
Aw,
so sweet.
Look at all that mud on it.
Holding the nozzle with hands so small, water goes rushing over it all. The muddy brown wheels turn clear and bright, shining like
Wheels
stars in
feel
the
so
morning
cool and
light.
refreshing.
Lupi softly sings, look at that gleam. Washing the pedal, rub and
Wiping
rinse,
the door makes
giving it
everything look
such a
so
sparkling
shiny.
glint. Washing the pedal, cozy and warm, safe from the dirt and safe from the harm.
Walking over here feels nice and dry
Using
now.
a cloth that is soft and white, wiping the door with gentle delight. Walking away from the wet wash lane into the dry zone without any
Yay,
rain.
look how
Lupi's
sparkly and
tiny
clean it is
voice
now.
goes, da-da. It looks brand new. Washing the pedal, smooth
Great job,
and
friends.
round.
We did such
The
a good
best
job.
little car that can be found. Washing the pedal, dancing around, twirling in circles on shiny
Time
ground.
to head out the door now, friends.
Standing beside the clean shiny ride, friends come over with a cheery stride, talking and smiling before we go out to the grass
Bye-bye
where the
for now.
sunbeams
See
glow.
you on our next
Lupi
trip.
hums, la la lee, what a lovely day. Washing the